smartphone along with the Honor Magic 3 series handsets. The company has introduced three handsets: Magic 3, Magic 3 Pro and Honor Magic 3 Pro Joran The Magic 3 series. Honor Magic 3 series comes with smartphones with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage, and their starting price is 4,599 yuan, approximately 52,800 rupees. On the other hand, talking about Honor X25G, this phone comes with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. The starting price of this phone is 1,899 yuan, about 21,800 rupees. Features and specifications of Honor Magic 3. The phone has a 676-inch Full HD Joe roller display with 1344 by 2772 pixel resolution, comes with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This phone with 8GB RAM and up to 256GB internal storage is powered by Snapdragon 888 processor. The company is giving triple camera setup in the rear of the phone. It has a 64-megapixel black and white sensor with a 50-megapixel primary lens and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Equipped with a 13-megapixel front camera, this phone is backed by a 4600 mAh battery, which supports 66W fast charging. Read also, Oppo is bringing a phone with Dimensity 810 processor, will get these cool features. Features and specifications of Honor Magic 3 Pro. This Honor smartphone comes with up to 12GB of RAM and up to 512GB of internal storage. In the phone, the company is offering Snapdragon 888 chipset as a processor. The display of the phone is the same as the base variant. For photography too, the setup with the base variant is available in this phone, but in this you will also get a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor. A depth sensor has also been given in the phone for selfie with 13-megapixel front camera. In this phone also you will get 4600 mAh battery which supports 65W fast charging. The specialty of this phone is that the company is also offering 50W wireless and reverse wireless charging. Honor Magic 3 Pro Joe features and specs. The specification found in this phone is very similar to the Magic 3 Pro. However, in this variant you will get better camera specification than the other two variants. The primary sensor of 50 megapixels has been given in this phone, which comes with OTS. Apart from this, 364-megapixel sensors have been given in the rear of the phone. The camera setup found in this phone comes with 100% digital zoom.